How to make Sagittarius man fall in love with Sagittarius woman. When two Sagittarius souls connect, the chemistry is vibrant, adventurous, and fiery. However, even matching signs need guidance to turn attraction into lasting love. Get a man hooked on you. Discover what men secretly want and become his secret obsession. Click the link below in the description to learn more. If you're a Sagittarius woman wondering how to make a Sagittarius man fall in love with you, here are 10 practical tips tailored to your shared zodiac nature. 1. Give him freedom. Sagittarius men need space. Show that you value independence too. Avoid clinginess and let him chase his dreams. 2. Be spontaneous. He loves surprises. Plan unexpected adventures or trips. Keep the energy exciting and fresh. 3. Engage in deep conversations. Talk about life, philosophy, and the universe. He's drawn to thinkers who challenge and inspire him. 4. Stay positive. Sagittarius thrives on optimism. Avoid negativity and focus on what's possible, not what's missing. 5. Keep things light. Don't push for emotional intensity too soon. Build a bond through laughter and shared experiences. 6. Match his energy. Be bold, active, and curious. He admires women who are just as passionate and driven as he is. 7. Respect his vision. Support his goals and growth. Be his ally, not his obstacle, as he pursues purpose. 8. Be honest and direct. He values truth above all. Say what you feel with confidence, no games or mind tricks. 9. Let your humor shine. Laugh with him. Teasing, jokes, and fun banter will keep him hooked and emotionally close. 10. Stay loyal, not controlling. Prove your trust without trying to control him. Loyalty without pressure is the magic formula. Understanding how to make a Sagittarius man fall in love with a Sagittarius woman lies in embracing your shared love for freedom, fun, and truth. Together, you can build a fiery, adventurous bond that stands the test of time. Do you want to get him chasing you like crazy? Discover what men secretly want and make him want you forever. Click the link below in the description to learn more. Thanks for watching. Please like, comment and share this video.